the rarest of them all. Subscribe now, or the Norwegian Lundehund will flex its 6 toes at you in judgment. Yeah, 6 toes. These puffin hunters are basically yoga masters. And then there's the Azawak, an African greyhound built like a runway model with anxiety. Fast, elegant, and probably too cool to fetch. Now meet the Otterhound, big, hairy, and made for swimming. Basically the Aquaman of dogs. The Thai Ridgeback? It has a built-in mohawk and the vibe of a bodyguard that doesn't smile. And finally, the Stabyhound, a dog so rare you've probably been mispronouncing it this whole time. Fewer than 7,000 exist. Like and subscribe if your dog isn't this exotic.